Welcome back to the channel, Hobby1 Kenobi here. I thought it would be a good idea to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like what you see in this video, please give a like and feel free to comment. Well, as you can see, much of the Pink Panther model has been put together. Several Edward PE parts have been used, as well as several pieces from the Legend resin set. The painting is ready to commence. First, I spray the resin and photo etch with Tamiya Gray Primer. I typically only use primer on resin and metal parts. Next, the model receives a coat of my own mixture of bronze green, though I admit this color didn't turn out very bronzy. After that coat dried, I sprayed a layer of Tresemme hairspray, followed by the first layer of pink. Actually, it's a heavy lightened version of the pink, but more on that later. After that color dried, another coat of hairspray was laid down. Apparently, the paint hadn't cured fully, and the alcohol-based hairspray reacted with the lightened pink Tamiya color. Then, several coats of the final pink were sprayed with my airbrush. Now, why I chose lightened pink? Well, I imagined the chipping would happen in this order. The real pink would scrape away, leaving a lightened version of the pink, which in turn would scrape away to the original bronze green. Between each of these three colors was a layer of hairspray which would allow the color above to be wiped away. Some chips would be soft, revealing the lighter pink, while others would be deeper, revealing the green. In several places, I decided to use a sanding stick or sanding sponge to soften the pink outer color. This would allow the water to more easily make its way to the hairspray. In some places, I decided to use a pipe cleaner and a toothpick to help poke at the dried paint. The chipping did work after some work, and as you can see, it's pretty effective. The seats initially received an undercoat of khaki drab, but the color didn't look too different from the bronze green. Next time I would just use a buff or a straight up khaki color. This same chipping technique was used in various places around the vehicle. After a coat of gloss clear, the model was ready for washes. I used my usual sludge mixture of black, white, and burnt umber. The burnt umber did affect the pink tone slightly, making it almost orangish in some areas. I then decided to reduce the brown color. Once dried, I removed the excess wash with a soft brush and Q-tips. Finally, I painted flat black on the stowage in preparation for the paint. I neglected to record the actual painting of the stowage, but here I am cleaning off the final sludge wash. Well, that does it for this video. The next Pink Panther video will be the last for this build. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!